Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I'm just want to show you this new sort of like little kit that I've got for you today. They are like a little assorted tab pockets. Now I've got them in various different papers. Some of them do go with the papers that I've already got in my shop. This one doesn't. This is a new one. This is sort of like wash day, which is lovely. Now this is where you make a little pocket, and these are the little sort of like journaling cards that you pop inside, and then you've got like a little embellishment here. So I'm going to flip through them, and then I'm going to cut them out, and I'm going to show you how they all go together, because they're really simple, and a couple of different ideas on how you can use them. So this is sort of like a wash day one, which is lovely. This one is from my Shabby French collection, which I just love this kit. This one is my blue butterfly, which is beautiful. So we've got the embellishments on there as well. So it's beautiful butterfly on there. Again, this is lovely, our daisy kit. So this is a nice add-on, and we've got this beautiful big daisy on there. This is ink and print, so this is a lovely one, and we've got a lovely little ink bottle there, which is like a little fussy cat. Loving this one because you've got the little pencil on there. So these are great little journaling cards. We have the fabulous florals on this one. Beautiful cutout there that we can have, a lovely flower. This is the cherry blossom kit. And this one here is a new one, which is the bees. So this is a sort of like a bee one, and I know lots of you do sort of like bee journals, so I thought this one would be a really nice one to pop in there as well. And then I've also got like a backing paper, so when you make them you can print this on the back. So when you cut them out, oopsie daisy, when you cut them out, the back isn't white. If you want it white, you don't have to print this on the back, but this is a nice sort of like paper if you wanted to print on the back of any of your kits. It's a nice sort of like tea stain paper. So these are the ones that we've got. I'm going to cut them out, and then I will be back, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how you can use them in your journals, and they can go into any journals. They can go as little bits of happy mail, with little messages on, and all sorts of things. So I will be back once I have cut them out, so see you in a minute. Okay guys, so I have cut them out and I have made some of them up. I've got a couple to make in a minute. I just want to show you how lovely they are. This is the fabulous florals one, and this is the little cutout flower that you get with it. I've added one of my little butterflies, and the beautiful, which is from one of my words and phrases kits. Let me just pop those out of the way. And I just love them, and the little cards just pop in there like that, and I just think they are great. And I think you could write little recipes on there, little bits of journaling on there. I just love them. I think they are a great addition to one of your journals, or just a like a little almost like little floating pocket in one of your journals. This one here, again, this is the blue butterfly collection. I've added a few little sequins onto there, a little bit of lace, a few little sequins in the corner. And I've also added some words to the little tabs on this one. So we've got quilting, textiles and ribbon. These are from one of my kits as well. And I just think you could write down all sorts of things on there. And I just think they are such a lovely little thing to put in your journal. And again, like I said, they're great happy mail as well. This one here, oops, where's my little thing fallen off? Is the bee one. Now I've left this tab out here. I've glued this one in, and what I did, I just left this tab. I've just glued that little bit down on there, and then these are the little journaling cards on here, which I love. These pop in here, and what I thought you could do, if you leave this tab out, I've just add the little embellishment on here. Where's my little... So if you've got your journal, you can pop your journal, and I thought you could stick this tab down onto your page and then have it as a flap like that, so it just flaps open. So again, if you wanted it this way, just leave this tab out like that, and it can go that way. So that's another way you can use it, which I think looks really nice. You can also sort of like hook it over the side of your page as well, like that. So I just think they are lovely. So there's lots of ways you can actually use them. So that's that one. This one I've printed off two, and I've made it into like a little booklet. I've got a little Velcro closure. That is the embellishment that you get with it. So I've just made it into the closure, and I've put two together, and I've got a little journal in the middle. So this side you've got your little pocket of tabs, and this side you've got your little pocket, not of tabs, of little journal cards, which I just love. So it's like a little double one. So it's like a double pocket, which is lovely. And also I've used the other embellishment, because obviously we're using two of them. So one of the embellishments I've used to pop the two together, stuck it on there. I've stapled in the little bits of paper there, and I've used just a little Velcro closure. So that is just lovely, isn't it? Don't you think that is just so cute? So there's lots of journaling in there. It's a little small one, very light. You've got 6 journaling cards in there, and you've also got your little pages there. So if you want me to show you how to make this, just let me know, pop it in the comments down below, and I will have a little tutorial on that one, which is lovely. This is the ink and print, and I've popped these lovely little metal looking sticky back embellishments on there, which I love. And then again we've got the little cards in there to do some little journaling on, and of course we've got the lovely daisy on here. So they are just gorgeous, so simple to do. So I'm just going to pop these over here a minute, and then I will show you how to make them. Now I've got two. We've got the lovely cherry blossom one, and this is just a random one, which is sort of like a wash day theme, which I think looks lovely. So I've just cut them all out, and all as you do is bend the corners, not the corners, the little tabs in like that. Make sure I'm in shot here. Yes, I am. So we'll just bend the little tabs in. I'm going to just ink it a little bit. Let's just get the little bit of ink, and ink just along the edge like that on the top. Again, if you can use these, you can use them as 2 journal cards as well. Just cut that down through there, cut the little tabs off, and then you've got another 2 journaling cards on there, which I think is lovely. So it looks really good. So that's those done. Just a little bit more on there, and then what we need to do is just bend this up just so it's level with that, and fold that down like that, and then you've got your little pocket. Pop a little bit of glue on here. Again, this is just tacky glue in my little bottle, like this. Pop these, squash that down. So that's our little pocket made, super simple. And then these are just, this is your little embellishment, and I thought I would pop it onto this card actually, like that. I'm not going to put anything underneath it, I'm just going to pop it on there like this. Now you can make this into little dingly danglies if you want to as well, and hang off them, but I thought just for now I'm going to just stick that on there like that. So doesn't that look good? So shall we add a little bit to this? Now again, you can have that as the front, or you can have that as the front, but I think I will have this one. So I've got a few little bits and pieces here which I thought might look quite nice. So let's have a look. What shall we do? Shall we have a piece of this on there, a piece of this on here, or shall we have a piece on there? Let's stick that on. I've got a little, look, I've got this big pot here. I hope that's going to go. This is my little drawer, and I'm putting all my little bits and pieces in here, so I will end up, so I've got lots of little bits that I use, and I need to pop them somewhere, which is oh look, there's one of my little things on there. Oh, that will work, won't it, for now? So I want a nice sort of drawer to put some all my scrap fabricy bits in it. I have made up 4 boxes of scraps, which I'm going to show you in the next video. It's scrap fabric, it's bits of scrap paper, scrap cards, all sorts of little bits and pieces in there. So I'm going to show you those, and they will be going into my Etsy shop. But again, I can only send them to Europe. I can't send them anywhere else outside the EU. So, but I will pop them on there. I'll go through them in the next video and show you anyway. So I've got these lovely little cards. So I'm going to just pop those on there. Again, pop some words on there or embellish them however you like, and then they just sit in there like that. How simple is that? And doesn't that look nice? Really, really nice. Little bits of glue sticking out. So that's that one. And then we've got the lovely cherry blossom kit. So these are so simple to do. It's just really the cutting out and one bit of gluing to glue them together. Put like that. Fold this over like this. Pop a little bit of glue on here. And again, remember, if you want to pop it into your journal, just leave one of the little tabs out and you can have like a little flip pocket on there. And then we're just going to stick these down. So again, that can be your front if you wanted the front. I have lost, there's an embellishment which is one of these, and do you think I can find it? I cut it out and now I've lost it. So you do get another embellishment with this, but I can't find it anywhere. But it's okay, it doesn't matter. I will probably find it somewhere. Just pop a little bit of ink around here. Like this. Just at the top of them, like that. And then what should we put? Should we put something on the top of this one? We have got some bits here. I've got a little bit of lace. Look at this, isn't that just beautiful? I wanted to put a little bit of this on there, just to give it a little bit of bling. What's this piece here? Look, lovely little beads. Shall we add a little bit of bling to this one? Shall we have it that side? There we go. Let's add just a little bit. Let's just glue everywhere. On here. A little bit of lace over the top. Like that. That off. Shall we have that on it, or is there another piece on here that we could have? This is gorgeous. No, I think I will just stick with that piece. That's lovely. A little bit, you need a little bit of the fabric glue or the Fabri-Tac or 3-in-1 or something on here, just to make sure you stick it down properly. If you have sort of like heavier embellishments to go on your journal bits and pieces. There we go. Oh, I like that. Sure, I'm getting a bit sort of more blingy as I get older. Like a little magpie, I think. There we go. And then these just go in. Again, we've got the little tab on one side, on the other side, and then we've got the middle one. So they just all fit in like that. So they fit in lovely. It's almost like a little file folder, but they are called little tab pockets on this one. And I think that looks lovely, doesn't it? We have a little bow. Did I have a little bow? Let me have a look in my thingy-majig. Should we pop a little bow on there? No, doesn't need that. Less is more, as they say. So there we go, guys. That's how simple they are to do. And I am just loving them. So it's a nice little addition to go into your journals. We have 8 of them. So we've got this one, we've got this one, we've got this beautiful one with butterflies. Oh gosh, like that. We've got the daisy one there. I have, this is the ink and print, which I'm loving. Again, we've got the lovely little booklet that you can make. So I'm sure you guys will come up with all sorts of things as well that you can do with it. This again is the flip one. So just remember to leave the little tab out. And then we've got the beautiful blue butterfly collection there, which is lovely. So there we go, guys. That is your little kit. I will pop a link down to it. It's in the Etsy shop at the moment. And it is a fabulous, quick little embellishment to make for your journals. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. All right, guys. Bye-bye.